Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this purple look. The first purple that we're going to use is from the 35M Boss Mood palette. So this was the darkest purple that I have. With the dark purple, we are going to apply it with this brush right here. I'm not going to start from here. I'm going to start actually from right up here. But I kind of, this is going to be weird. Okay, so I really want the purple to stand out. So you see like where my fold is at right here? That's where I'm going to place the dark purple. And then from there, we're going to like build up, not down. So we're gonna just put a line, like just draw a line. If you don't have, just use your darkest purple on the bottom. It's okay that the line isn't perfect on the bottom because we are going to be concealing. Oh, I forgot my cheat sheets. You guys, this is the important part. I can't live without this. So using the 35M palette, I'm just doing a line for right now. So with the flat brush that looks like this, we're gonna use the end of it, okay? Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect on the bottom, you know, because we're gonna use concealer to shape it, okay? This color that I'm using from the 35M palette, for some reason it's coming out blue. Why, if it's purple? Oh. Next purple that we're gonna lay on top is the purple from the 35V palette. Using the same flat brush, we're gonna dab it in, okay? And then you can also swing it back and forth. Like move the product back and forth. If you want, you can use like a fluffy brush to apply this, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I don't want so much fallout, especially with the color purple. If you don't have this palette, just from your eyeshadow palettes, just get the darkest purple, you know, if you want to recreate this look. Alright, next purple that I'm going to be using is from the 35L palette. So going in with Truth from the 35L palette. This is the last color that I'm going to use, so it's 3 colors. So we're going to make sure we kind of bring this out like a wing. So this is exactly how I wanted the top to be, and then wing it out. I'm gonna get a clean fluffy brush. It could be any fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna sweep it on the top and then kind of like blend it out so it can look faded on the top. The reason why I didn't add product to the top of my brush, to this brush, is because I didn't want the product to keep going up and up and up where it's like in my eyebrow, you know what I mean? So I'm just fluffing it out. So it won't also be a hard crease because I did use a brush that is made for creases, you know what I mean? So you're just gonna So you see how like it is faded? Oh my god, it came out good. Wow! We're gonna go ahead and start concealing, and I'm just gonna be using a flat brush that looks like this to conceal the eye. And then the concealer that I'm using is just the Maybelline Eraser Concealer. Okay, and then so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from here. You don't have to start from the edge all the time. So, and then you can also use a smaller brush, and I'm just gonna jump everywhere with this because remember, I am not a perfectionist at concealing, but okay, and then right here when we conceal, we're gonna bring it down right here. The brush that we lined, let's go ahead and go in with it, and then you're gonna go piece by piece, okay? Because sometimes when you just do it with one line, it doesn't work out. In the James Charles palette, we are going to be using this color right here with a flat brush. This color is good. Finish up with the eyeliner, and I'll be right back with some eyelashes on. So I already put on my eyelashes, guys, so we're gonna be going in with this purple right here for an inner corner highlight. So the lip color that I'm gonna be using today is called Baile. This is from the Live Glam August collection. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really love that I played with purple, especially like this cut crease, because I am horrible. Oh, this eyelash. I'm horrible at cut creases. I don't think I'm the best. I need more practice. But it was really fun to put these colors together. I think it's like perfect for like a date night, or if you're going to like a birthday party. It's nice. I like it a lot. I like it. I love it, actually. I really hope it was an easy look for you guys to follow. But yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and announce the giveaway winner. And the winner is Jasmine Mirano. Congratulations, Jasmine Mirano. So you are the Jasmine Rae giveaway winner for the month of August. Yay! She is the first winner of the monthly giveaways. There are more future giveaways. Every month there's always a giveaway. There's a different giveaway winner. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I love you. Card is empty, by the way, but I knew who the winner was. Oops. I didn't record what I was doing, but I'm doing this color right here. So, how do I live without you? Which I can't. I wanted to use like a dark purple. Okay, now we can start. Oh no!